guys, it's Chris with WTI. I got this wireless microphone set for my iPhone. It also works on an iPad. It has this sleek, compact case that also has its own battery and doubles as a charging station. It's compact enough to easily fit in your pocket. I like that there's a digital readout at the side of the case that tells you how much the batteries are charged. It's great that the battery charge in each mic has a 5-hour life expectancy. The battery charge in the charge station can last up to 30 hours. You only use one mic at a time. The other one is for backup if the battery dies. If you're interviewing someone, they can also use the other mic. I like how small the mics are. They have a little alligator clip that secures it to your lapel, short collar, or somewhere on your clothing. This microphone set is plug and play. You plug the receiver into the charging port on your iPhone, press and hold a button on the mic until both lights on mic and receiver turn green, then you are good to go. It's amazing the recording distance you get from this microphone. I'm in the park testing it out, and here are the results from 90 feet away.
60 feet, 90 feet away, and if I can still hear myself, I think that this mic is doing pretty good.
I recommend this microphone set as a must-have for quality recordings of voice, videos, online conferencing, as well as interviewing on your iPhone. And that's my point of view.